spending the night in Dixon. 60-odd miles from a plan. Is it too late to learn to listen? Too late to be less a man. How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now? We carried it all, cobbling miles as we go, a line at a time, or a sad swan song, offering up purple prose. And I'd find you